Hi, this is Ivan Marchena, Chief Communication Officer of Allianz. And today we will talk about what will happen if the crypto boom ends and how will peer-to-peer crowdlending survive. Crypto is pumping again. Everyone's sharing portfolio screenshots. Some are cashing 20x on meme coins, others are back to watching trading tutorials. Feel like we are in another crypto spring. But we have seen this before. It was in 2017, it was in 2021, then came 2018 and 2022. And every time, same story. The market crashes, liquidity vanishes, projects disappear. So, in this video, let's talk about what happens if it all repeats again, and why crowdlending, especially the kind backed by real assets, survives while crypto often can't. First, crypto runs on hype. Let's be honest, crypto still lives off hype and speculation. When there is hype, things pump. A meme coin gets listed. Boom, 50x. Someone gets liquidated. The market goes wild. But what's behind that growth? Usually nothing. Just belief. No revenue, no real business, no obligations. So when the hype fades, altcoins crash. On average, they drop 85% after every bull market. And that's when even the most loyal believers start asking, maybe it is time to stop gambling. What happens after the bubble pops? So, what actually happens when the market crashes? Liquidity dries up. Allocations get frozen. Startups vanish. Exchange cut products left and right. But the worst part, trust disappears. People run to stablecoin. Some go offline. Some leave crypto altogether. And then comes the big question. If not tokens, where do I invest now? That's when an old school but still solid model steps back into the spotlight. Peer-to-peer crowdlending. Peer-to-peer as a defensive investment tool. What makes peer-to-peer strong? It's not about pumps or hype. It's not about real-world business. You are lending money to an actual company, a coffee shop, a logistic firm, a small factory, and they pay you interest out of their revenue. So even when the market turns red, even when Solana is crashing, your peer-to-peer returns keep coming in. Why? Because a coffee shop doesn't care about charts. It just keeps serving coffee. And a loan backed by their equipment, that's a real value. Why peer-to-peer survives? Unlike tokens, where there is a lot of promises and zero responsibility, peer-to-peer works differently. There is a real contract signed by both sides. There is collateral, like equipment, real estate, or inventory. Every transaction is recorded on-chain in a smart contract. And most importantly, no middleman. Your money goes straight from you to the business. Now, thanks to Web3, it's even easier. Connect your wallet, pass KYC, pick a project, that's it. A few clips. No need to trust the marketing. You can verify everything on chain. This isn't wishful thinking. It's a system that generates a real cash flow backed by real assets with logic you can track. When the hype dies down, the market gets cleaned up. And who's left standing? The ones who weren't building on thin air. Crowdlending isn't hype. It's infrastructure. It's a model where your money doesn't write the charge. It works. That's exactly what we are building with Allianz. Deals with full legal agreements, collateral in real-world assets, transparent returns, all on Web3. Fair, simple, and clear. If you want to survive the next crypto winter without losing your capital, take a closer look at peer-to-peer. You will find a link in the description with full lessons on how peer-to-peer works. And if you want more videos like this, like the video, drop a comment, and I will see you in the next one.